다시 이제 스테디움으로 가서 등록해서 그 백번호 받고 뭐 하는 언제 타는지 그런 것도 다 정보를 준다고 하니까 다 가서 일단 봅시다. 정평 맵은 도로 가르쳤거든요. 알아서 경로 변경이 되네요. 가이드 맵은. 그래서 새로 뭐 카카오맵처럼 재경 탐색 이런 걸 안 누르고도 알아서 바꿔줘요. 괜찮네. 샤코! Hey! Good. I'm the one. Finally, yes, bro.
You already take the bed?
Not yet. So I'm heading. You do?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good to see you anyway. Race competence. Yeah, okay. Okay. Let's get it. Oh, Lina! I couldn't hear me. How are you? Good.
Good to see you. Yeah, I think we're working. Have you visited some of the other? Let's queue up because you're.
Yeah, I would like to pick up the package first.
You go and queue up first. I'll wait and then
You'll be surveyor
yeah, I'm talking to all the community groups. I want to say hi to you because I saw you coming in. But I was talking to the group from Singapore.
Okay.
Yeah. Tomorrow will be very busy. I'm also racing. I'm at the 1 o'clock group.
But they have a different age and gender too,
Yeah.
right? So you're not being in the
We're
same
not
group.
in the same group, but I'll be mostly around the Brompton station area. So, but I'll see you tomorrow. Of course. Just I'll walk around. Yeah?
Okay, this way. 저 등록돼 있는 거를 보면서 이렇게 패키지를 받게 하는 것 같아요. 후후. 발레리아는 받았으니까. I'm from the South Korea. Yeah, 한국.
Are you participate?
Yeah. I already registered it.
他是外国人，然后需要怎么给他登记？
也是有护照号，应该就没问题。可以护照号。
Do you have your passport number?
Passport.
Yeah, passport number.
Here.
Eh? Oh, wait a minute. We can check in the database.
Over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go this way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go this way.
Thank you. Yeah. Oh, thank you. 谢谢.
They will find your bag. 啥时候开始比赛？他说。
Thank you.
Can you take a picture about this?
Okay. Thank you.
Time sheet.
Thank you. Bye bye. So finally I got it. 뭐가 이렇게 많네? 언패킹 한번 해야겠는데?
And you also have one, the L-pick one.
Ah, drone.
yeah.
Yeah, I always have a drone, but this time in Beijing they said no,
Oh, okay.
so I didn't bring it.
Oh. And some friends from Korea also come.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Yeah, we're gonna have a dinner together.
oh, tonight?
Yeah, soon.
Okay.
So I'm just heading to the hotel now to have a dinner together.
Okay.
So anyway, good to see you again here. Yeah. Oh, okay. 이거 또 넘어야 되는 거야? 와, 씨. 여기도 장애물이 있네. So we are heading to the hotel now. We are heading to the hotel now to have a dinner together. So they said they're gonna leave at the 1600. So we are only having the 10 minutes left. I didn't expect this one is here.
Very dangerous.
I think so.
If you are faster, you're like gonna jump.
I mean, that caused a lot of accidents then.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh.
I think it's 100% more something crash.
Ah, no, especially the one who's ride very fast, like you, maybe.
I'm not younger. I don't want
No.
any injuries.
No.
For just a fun fucking race. I don't want to come back to Japan with a problem. Tomorrow you have like one corner here. After I come back,
Wow, so
just come in with me. Just
Okay.
go to here.
that's the way that they can reduce the speed.
We will give the speed about
Not sure.
not sure.
I mean, this is also causing the accident then.
Yeah, just like use the speed here is easy for faster,
Uh-huh.
here.
Exactly. Whew.
Okay, turn right.
And they're gonna start at the 7, which means like we cannot see the track tomorrow. Only today,
Only today.
I guess. If okay with you, then can you just look around? Because I never even seen it yet.
Right. Faster here. Really avoid.
Mm-hmm. Think so.
Letter Q.
No? Okay. So they have all different timetable anyway.
Yeah.
Let's see. Hello. So this is it. This is the final finish line. So they might have a bump in here at the finish line, right?
Yeah.
To check your speed, maybe.
Yeah, but we have a chip,
I didn't even see the package yet.
electronic chip. Now tomorrow is DB.
Okay.
In the back.
Okay.
Tomorrow when you go to check-in registration, it give you put the chip on front of your front car.
Okay.
Actually, the Le Mans style. You don't need a rush for unfolding because the timing you start when you start on the start line.
Okay.
Fix your bike as well. No, the saddle is not like on right and left.
Okay.
Just take it easy. Take it easy.
Hey, Nina.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. He's the one that I'm talking about, the Giacomo.
Nice to meet you.
Hi. I think I'm not sure if we met. Hi, Nina from Brompton.
I'm talking from
Hey, good.
Brompton, Japan.
Brompton, Japan. You moved to Brompton, Japan?
I live in Japan.
Okay.
I worked for Brompton 20 years.
Okay. In the
Before in London, before in Italy, now in Japan.
Okay. Okay, great.
It's great.
Yeah, I also worked in Greenford
Okay.
before I moved to APAC.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
good.
yeah.
Are you racing tomorrow with us?
I'm racing tomorrow.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I feel like you're gonna win. No?
No.
He was the one who won the competition in Korea earlier.
Yeah, I win 2-time World
Yeah. Oh
Championship
my
in
gosh,
the
then you're
UK.
definitely here to
Whoa.
win. I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you
Looking
tomorrow.
forward to tomorrow.
Yeah, of
Okay,
course.
see you.
Have fun.
And Andy's coming tomorrow, right?
Andy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
He's here. Yeah.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
See
See you tomorrow. Have a good
Bye
day.
bye. Okay, let's heading to the hotel. 이제 숙소로 들어가서 패키지 놓고 다시 밥 먹으러 가려고 합니다.
Hi.
Good to see you again. Oh, sorry.
Hi, Kimmy. Nice to see you again.
Yeah, here in China.
You guys back last month, right?
Last month, yeah.
He met him like 2 years ago.
Yeah, in Barcelona. So, let's go. No, this way. Wait, slow down. Slow down. It doesn't have the lights.
Oh yeah. Okay, so decided to close. Yeah, well, the best thing you do.
Go straight. Straight. Yeah. What's that? Oh, okay. Lovely. You do?
Routine Malaysians. Any of them practicing this?
Anybody has an iPhone, good.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ah, he's the. Oh, you can just stay there. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hold on. Video. Coming back to the hotel.